So hey guys, so today I'm here with a new tail bag that's called the Nomad Gears tail bag with the brand name Indicus for bikes and motorcycles. The Nomad Gears tail bag Indicus is a 35-liter tail bag designed to resemble a top box and offers a sleek and functional solution for motorcycle storage. It is crafted from durable, weather-resistant materials. It combines practicality with style. The spacious interior can comfortably hold essential gears or travel items, making it ideal for a day ride, weekend ride, or a longer trips like 3 to 4 days. I liked it because I can use this tail bag equally in my car. I can pick this up, stuff it with my stuff I need for a little bit of ride or a drive. I can fix it to the bike, or I can keep it in the the back of my car.
This particular bag, I've fallen in love with this. I can keep my important stuff. It's hard and safe and secure, not very expensive. So you can put in a Rhinox camera bag into this, and also a Viatera trail pack. So इसमें आपके tools आ जाएंगे, इसमें आपके cameras आ जाएंगे, and you can keep some layers of rainproof jackets and cover it and protect it. Also this bag has got a rainproof cover, quite good enough. मोले packs है, आप इसके ऊपर भी और लगा सकते हो और इसको बड़ा कर सकते हो. So very good thing. You can actually purchase this, and then the Rhinox camera insert bag. I'll reverse it and show it to you.
It's a wonderful bag. The product details are quite very easy to see actually, that it's square in shape or rectangular in shape, and it's got a little bit of the top box kind of a look, but it's got the nylon fabric with PVC coated 1000D ballistic nylon fabric. In detail you can go into the website and check them out, but most of it looks like it's a water resistant fabric, and it mentions it too. It's got water resistant zippers, so definitely that's a very important thing. Genuine YKK zippers and sliders are included, and specially customized glove friendly zipper pullers. This is what I was mentioned by the staff. And it also has these genuine 3M Scotch-Lite reflective tapes, and that's a very important thing in terms of safety. And it's got heavy duty plastic buckles, foam and EVA padded base, complete waterproof rain cover, built-in straps for riding jackets, and zipper compartment for gloves. Capacity is 35 liters. The rain cover is included, and I think the tag mentions 12 months of limited warranty. So that's a good deal. The size dimension is 11 into 15 into 10. That is, the length is 11, width is 15, height is 10 inches. So altogether it's been priced at a very reasonable price. In some websites it's showing it as 4,200. On some websites it's on offer until 3,989 or 3,900.
So here's a customer who just bought it and is using it on his KTM Adventure. The tail bag which I was talking about by Nomad Gears. So now this is on his seat. He does not have a rack behind. It looks amazing. Really cool bike. So that's the top box kind of a thing he bought, and it costed him 4,000. So sir, कैसा लगा आपको ये bag? Good, huh? You're satisfied? You got it for 4,000? Yeah, good. So Riders Arena, and that's a lovely bike with this Indicus which I showed you earlier. Nomad Gears का है. इसमें MRP 4199 है. Looks nice and useful. Rain cover सब कुछ दिया हुआ है. You just secured it, you can see, to the saddle frame, है ना. यहाँ पे डाल दिया है, यहाँ पे secure कर दिया है, उसको secure कर दिया है proper. ऊपर he can secure anything else, and I'll show you again outside how it looks. Here, this is how it looks from inside. ये बाहर भी एक जिप है, बाहर भी एक जिप है. अगर आपके पास पीछे रैक है तो आप पीछे भी लगा सकते थे, है ना. दैट विल लुक बेटर. यहाँ भी पिलियन के लिए जगह नहीं है, इस साइड भी जगह है. तो वेरी गुड ऑप्शन विदाउट गेटिंग दैट ह्यूज बॉक्सेस. मेक्स इट वेरी हैवी एंड सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इसका सही रहेगा, ज़्यादा हिलेगा नहीं, है ना. तो बेसिकली माई चॉइस. इट्स अ गुड bag to purchase. Tail bag, color black, product name Indicus, manufactured by Nomad gears.in. That's a nice one. They've got this 12 months warranty as well. It looks amazing. Really cool bike.
Thank you guys. Hope you loved it. Give a like, give a share, and do subscribe. Thank you guys.